What's up, y'all? So today we're working on some Cyber Monday 3's. As you can see, these junks are totally beat. So first we're going to put the toe tree to the appropriate size and put it in the shoe. So now we're just going to sand down the shoe real quick. Now I'm going to be using a lighter to take off all the old threading that's exposed. Make sure not to set the shoe on fire like I almost did. Now we're just going to be using our acetone and cotton balls to take off the factory finish and the dust and grime. For some reason, I decided to put a lace lock. I also decided to customize the midsole. If you like this custom slash restoration, or if you leave a like, subscribe for more content. Peace.